McIntosh. For my Graduate with Honors project is a React Native app that is an extension of my Bootstrap project, which is a sneaker store. For my Bootstrap project, I included a carousel and basic animations of the sneakers right here. I am a huge basketball fan and avid collector of shoes, some even featured on my React Native app. So let's get to it. For my app, I also included a carousel feature on the homepage. Also listed on the homepage are my products. The most coveted shoes in sneaker heaven. Once you click on the sneakers, a transitional modal pops up to the detail screen. So, hey, let's stop here. Air Yeezy, 19,000, no problem. Let's add this to the cart. Product information is an accordion. They were released September of 2012. We have a rating of 5 out of 5. Let's add another pair of sneakers. How about something cheap? Air Max 95. Do we have any product information? They're just OG Neon. We'll add those to the cart also. The item appears in the cart up here. In the cart, you can remove the items. I don't have Stripe or anything like that set up yet, but once I complete the Node.js course, I plan to expand this app even further. So let's delete these from my cart. Sad face, no items in here. For my info, give a kick, get a kick app page, it's pretty simple. I have a newsletter feature that triggers an alert. Once again, I would expand this feature probably using MailChimp in the backend course. So I already have info saved right here, 123give at gmail.com. My name, let's join this newsletter. Bam, there goes an alert. We officially signed up. For this feature, it's just about giving shoes to underprivileged youth. Right here, I used a touchable opacity to link to a giveaway, a nonprofit that gives away shoes that Nordstrom provides. Pretty slow. Here's the link. shoesthatfit.org. And finally, for my contact screen, I also include an about section. It's basically a mock-up of the shoe store, which also has a touchable opacity. For this picture, it links to my favorite shoe store, Flight Club, if you heard of it. And down here, you can contact me with the address, email. This looks kind of wonky on this right here, but it's probably because I have this bigger. Let me see. Oh. It's different on my iPhone. But right here, you can send an email. Right here featured. And this is that, basically. For my detail screen, I use Redux. And this was my biggest challenge of making this app, was incorporating Redux. But after, experimenting and consulting with others on Stack Overflow, I was able to implement them by adding items and removing items from the cart. And this is the detail screen with the accordion and everything like that. This, gave me a run for my money. This is the cart screen. Once again, I included the Redux feature, um, all my info within the cart, including, my style sheet. For the donation screen, here's the linking feature that I said, the touchable opacity. And this is about the keyboard, mounting the keyboard. For my user screen, my about screen, this is just very basic. The same Mail Composer a sync that we used for our new camp. I just included that with the email for the contact page. And this is the app card that includes all the sneakers on the page and how I was able to implement all of this. I also have you couldn't see it when I loaded up my application, but I also have a product loading screen. And these are my navigations for tab and everything else. My focus, my color. And thank you guys for viewing my project.